Let me share with you like where all you can able to use the power of Ho'oponopono, and you can use in all four areas of your life, that is health, relationship, career, and money. So all four areas of your life you can able to use it. The first, for example, relationship. If you're having problem with your boss, at the time also you can able to use it. For career, like if you asking for promotion and you have this internal belief like what he says, what will happen, what does he think. If you're having this negative thoughts, at the time also you can able to use Ho'oponopono so that that anxiety goes down. So how you can able to use Ho'oponopono is like four statements you have to keep on repeating. That is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So today you can just, after finishing this video, you go home. While you are going home and there was a heavy traffic, at the time also you can able to use Ho'oponopono so that you can able to release all the negative energy and you can able to approach and you can able to reach your home very fast. And second, like if you're traveling or you're walking alone at night, at the time also you can able to use Ho'oponopono. Like keep on chanting this four statement: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. If you want to know more about it, and there is a 7 p.m. there is a webinar happening about Ho'oponopono where I learned Ho'oponopono from my mentor. You can click the link and join there.